In this video, you learn how to use the COUNTIF function with multiple criteria. You have been given data with order ID, customer name, customer classification, customer order status, and the invoice amount. We would like to count the number by order status. We want to know how many of these orders are pending, cancelled, or complete. Using the COUNTIF function, the COUNTIF function counts the number of cells with a range that meets a given condition. For this case, our range, because we want the order status, our range becomes column D, and our criteria is pending. Then you press enter and count downwards. We can also count the customer by classification. So customer class, then we count if the customer class is in column C and our condition here is distributor. Then we copy downwards. The next one is using COUNTIF for multiple criteria. Now we want to count only order status that are pending, and now we want to use the COUNTIF function to count using multiple criteria. We use a combination of the sum function and COUNTIF to count the range called order status based on the arrays or conditions pending and cancelled. Then we put the curly bracket on the end, close the bracket, and press Ctrl Shift and enter to get the number of orders that are pending and cancelled. Thanks for watching.